The first impression was that it was a very organized firm, a project that is very in love with what they are doing. And so that love was communicated to us, and we were able to engage as students first, how the program develops, and then be able to master it as teachers. So overall, I would describe it as round and caring about what they are doing. If I had to point out something that impressed me or surprised me about the program, that would be how accessible it is to the different levels of education that we manage here at school. We're part of the elementary team, and working with kids is not always that easy. We need to impress them, we need to give them challenges, but we also need to take in mind that they are young and they have to engage in a challenge that they know they can achieve, even though at the first glance it might not appear so. So this project is really well leveled in that sense. So every kid in every grade has a challenge that is gonna boost their knowledge further without being overwhelming. The first time that they saw the new structure in the classroom, the new material that we had, they were amazed. They were having fun the first classes that we get to know both the Kinects, both the electronics programs. The first classes with 3D printer were amazing. So overall, they're having a lot of fun. They're getting to know more about science by actually being part of the scientific process of building and designing. Critical thinking is clearly boosted in this kind of program because every class and every unit has several propositions of situationships that actually happen in real world. So it's not project-based learning that is outside the real background or that strategizes something that is purely academical. It's actually pre-planted on real world situations, and every kid is learning how to solve those situations. The methodology at the beginning could be a little challenging because it implies a certain pace, the kids to be accustomed to both the classroom and the dynamics. But once that you get the catch of it and the kids are able to engage with you as a whole group, I would describe it as a very efficient methodology because now the kids know exactly what they have to do depending on the role that they have. So they're not arriving to a classroom where they do not know how they'll be behaving or what they will be doing. They know that they have a project and they have a role. So that makes the whole classroom management a lot easier. This program, besides building a strong field of scientific and design development with real world challenges, it also building another skill that's very important, and not set skills actually, but it's the social skills. Every group is mutating, is changing. They're not always the same people. And so the kids are learning how to share, are learning how to work. That's an ability that is gonna boost them further for, let's say, college, for example, or the work field, where we know that we are gonna have a moving team with moving characters and all aim towards having our best project or our best work done all together.